Hello again. I fell in love with this cook. This cook that I saw on Facebook, and I love the way he seasoned his chicken before frying it. This will most likely do. I will probably do an oven fry, and I'm sure you could do a with those oil-free fryers now, air fry. I'm sure this will work the same way, but there's nothing better than a nice juicy fried chicken. So what I did was I added a whole bunch of seasonings to this, and I'm going to add my buttermilk that I made by scratch, and I do have a video clip, I think, on how to make buttermilk. But this is basically some seasoning that I use for, I'm chewing on a carrot, sorry, a seasoning that I used for my chicken that I kind of got from this guy. So basically, I'm going to try to touch this without cross-contaminating. I use a little bit of garlic salt, and then I have my onion powder in my recycle container, a white pepper. I'm going to go through Cajun spice, which I love, 21 seasonings, turmeric, I'm going to have to wipe these down, a little bit of cayenne pepper, ground mustard seed, chipotle, black pepper, ground ginger, thyme. You could all use some thyme, right? Some comino, and some smoked paprika and coriander. I mixed it all up. This guy really inspired me. Of course, I don't like the way he chomps when he's eating, but oh, he makes the food taste so, look so good. And so I made my buttermilk, okay, and I'm shaking it up because you're supposed to use it right away when you make it, but I didn't. So I basically added some lemon to some milk. So you just add a tablespoon, oops, I'm just getting messy here, a tablespoon of lemon, and he uses gloves, which is pretty cool. It's for me, so I'm not going to use gloves, but he does use gloves, which is really awesome. I saw that he used gloves. I don't like latex, but if you, nowadays I think you're going to have to because of this COVID thing that's going on. But it's just for me, like I said. And I've been shaking it and shaking it because it separates. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put this here for just for right now, so I could use it. And just going to okay, I'm kind of shake that up and pour some in. Oops, this is my homemade buttermilk, and I have to shake it up because it kind of separated. So I'll go ahead and use that, and maybe save some for some biscuits. Save a little of that. Of course, you could use sour cream for biscuits. You can use yogurt for biscuits. You could use so many different ingredients for biscuits, but I think I'm going to use some biscuits. And then I'm just going to go ahead and then set this for a couple hours, or maybe he suggests overnight. So I'm going to set this for a period of time. See? And this is just what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover it up with some plastic and then stick it in the refrigerator, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next on my next clip. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm marinating my chicken, and I might fry it. We'll see what happens. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.